Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Kenna coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2015. In the village of Schaumburg, it is currently 37 degrees. We are expected to have a high of 60 and a low of 34, with mostly cloudy skies. Now, please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Predators beat the Blackhawks 5-2. The Bulls beat the Bucks 113-106. The Pirates beat the Cubs 5-4. And the Royals beat the White Sox 3-2. Clubs meeting today are the Green Thumb Club at 11 o'clock in room 112 and the 3rd grade photo club in room 104 at 3 o'clock. All of the 5th graders have been learning all about drum circles and world drumming ensembles from different countries. Then they had an opportunity to create their own drum circles. Check out one from Mrs. Nordstrom's class.
My name is Arshia.
I'm Michael. I'm Anthony. I'm Julia.
I'm Price.
And Brian. And we are the Super Six.
Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Kenna. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. We've got our own drum circle right here. It's time for Herbie high fives. All right. I know Mrs. Mendoza's class loaded up the egg this morning. I think they put in, must have been at least 100, maybe 150. 3 puzzle pieces, so that'd be 150, I believe. So great job. So don't be surprised if we hear a lot from 117. That's not Mrs. Mendoza's room.
That's Miss Lee.
But we do have 117 right here. Kendall in room 117. We have, looks like Jan in 120. Stuti in 117. Salma in 101. Good job. Nickel in 102. Let's see. Looks like Anisha in 117. Remember to use good handwriting. Some of these are a little hard to read. We've got Sana in 120. Sana. Michael in 101. Let's do one more. Gonna reach all the way to the bottom of the egg, see who we get. Who's it gonna be? We've got Allison in 115. Remember, if your high five didn't get called, we're gonna keep these in there for next week, so don't worry. All right. And the second floor. I'm creating a mess out here. All right, we've got Angeli in 204, Danny in 203, Melody in 214. Looks like Ruhan in 212. Dia in 214. Malika in 214. We'll do 2 more. Ray Hill in 214. Wow. Mrs. Kippenhand's class loaded up the egg too. We're going to mix these up really good. The last one for today, who is it going to be? Roman in 207. Congratulations to everybody got their name called. Supposed to be a wet weekend, but everyone have a great weekend. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that your nose can remember 50,000 different scents? It's hard to imagine that there are even 50,000 different smells. And dogs and other animals can remember a lot more scents than humans. This week's live broadcast was brought to you by your 6th grade studio crew, Unipotato Production Incorporated. Have another Muffin Man Friday.